So for inverse tangent, our answers have to be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Since it's negative, that tells us it's going to be in the fourth quadrant. And to have a tangent of 1 would have to be pi over 4 angle. So this one is going to be negative pi over 4. Right, because the sine and cosine have to be the same. For number 4, another inverse tangent. So again, our answer has to be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. This one's positive, so we know it's going to be in the first quadrant. But inverse tangents can be tricky with square roots. So remember, tangent is sine over cosine. Since we've got the square root of 3 in there, we should know it's going to be one of these two angles, right? Pi over 6 or pi over 3, because they have root 3 over 2 and 1/2 as their coordinates. So it's just a matter of which one works. Well, in order to get square root of 3 on top, we need to have a sine that's square root of 3 over 2 and a cosine that's 1/2. Because if we divide those, the 2's cancel out, and that's just the same as square root of 3. So the sine has to be root 3 over 2. That's going to be right here at pi over 3. Inverse cosine, for this one, our answer has to be between 0 and pi. And it's positive, so that's going to put it in the first quadrant. Negative would be in the second. Cosine, or x value, is 1/2, so that's at pi over 3. Arc sine, so inverse sine is between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Negative, so it's going to be in the fourth quadrant. And root 2 over 2, that's pi over 4 angle. So we're going to have negative pi over 4 for this one. And then the last one here, number 7, kind of like number 4, inverse tangent with the square root of 3 in there. Well, for this one, again, it has to be between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. It's negative, so we know it's going to be in the fourth quadrant. And root 3 over 3, for that to happen, it's just the opposite of what we had before. The square root of 3 part is going to be on the bottom, the 1/2 is going to be on the top. Because this simplifies to 1 over square root of 3, which we could rationalize, multiply the top and bottom by square root of 3, and we get square root of 3 over 3. So it's going to be down here, sine is going to be negative 1/2, cosine is root 3 over 2, so that's negative pi over 6.